Welcome to the chemistry class, students. I hope all are safe. Bible verse says, "The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still." Exodus 14:14. 8th Standard ICSE Chapter 2, The Structure of the Atom, Session 4. Children, in our last video, we have seen about anode ray, characteristics of anode ray, what constitutes anode ray, neutron, discovery of nucleus, and we have seen Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment, which shows the presence of neutron in an atom. In today's class, we are going to see about how are the subatomic particles placed in the atom, what is meant by atomic number and mass number, and what is nucleotide symbol, how electrons are arranged, and what is meant by ions. Children, we all know what is atom. Atom means it is the smallest particle, and this atom consists of subatomic particles. They are proton, electron and neutron. We know that the nucleus is present in the center of atom, in which mass of atom is concentrated. Mass of electron is negligible, but for proton and neutron, its mass is 1 U, which is 1 unified mass. And this shows that proton and neutron resides inside the nucleus. But we have to remember that hydrogen don't have one neutron in it, because it has only one proton in it. In 1913, Niels Bohr, he is a scientist, he represented the atomic model. So here you can see the atomic model. He says that electron revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit, just like the planets revolve around the sun. As planets or revolve around the sun, similarly the electron will revolve around the nucleus. This was said by the scientist Niels Bohr in the year 1913. Number of subatomic particles in an atom. Atomic number. Now let us see what is meant by atomic number. It is the number of proton present in the nucleus, and it is denoted by the symbol Z. Atomic number of an element is equal to the number of the proton present in the nucleus of its atom. For hydrogen, the atomic number is 1, because there is only one proton present in the hydrogen atom. That's why for hydrogen the atomic number is 1. Now let us see what is meant by mass number. It is the sum of proton and neutron present in an atom, and it is denoted by the letter A. So when we add the proton and neutron, we get the mass number value. The next topic is nucleotide symbol. It is nothing but the symbol of element with atomic number as the subscript and mass number as the superscript. So the mass number will be on the top, and at the bottom we will have the atomic number. So it contains the symbol of the element and the mass number and atomic number. And we know what is mass number and what is atomic number. So here you can see the example for carbon. The element is given here. It is written in the middle, and at the top the mass number is written, that is 12 for carbon atom, and its atomic number is written at the bottom. It is 6 for carbon atom. Similarly, we can write for chlorine as it has the mass number of 35 and the atomic number is 17. Now let us see how the electrons are arranged. Bohr model says that the electron revolve around the nucleus in a circular path, just like the planets revolve around the sun in a circular path, and this circular path is said to be shells. And there are different shells present in the atom, and they are named as K shell, L, M, N, etc. The first shell is said to be K shell, second is L, third is M shell, fourth is N shell, and so on. So this is how the name is given for each shell. Now let us see the hydrogen atom, where it has one proton and one electron. Now let us calculate the number of proton and number of electron and number of neutron present in hydrogen atom. And also we are going to see few examples for calculating the number of proton, neutron and electron. First one is for hydrogen. It has one electron, so Z is equal to 1, and proton it is 1. And for neutron we have to minus the proton and electron. So 1 minus 1, 0, which means hydrogen has 0 neutron and 1 proton and 1 electron. The next example is carbon atom. In carbon atom, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 electrons are present in the carbon atom, which revolves around the nucleus, and inside nucleus you can see 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So the number of electron is 6, the number of proton is also 6, and the number of neutron is, we have to first add both the proton and electron, and then we have to minus the proton. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So the neutron is 6 neutron present in the carbon atom. The next atom we are going to see is nitrogen, where in nitrogen you can see 7 electron, 7 proton and 7 neutron. So this proton and neutron will be inside the nucleus, and 7 electron will revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit. So when we calculate the number of neutron, 14 minus 7, it is 7. So when we write its nucleotide symbol, it will be at the bottom 7, N, at the top 12. The next we are going to see is oxygen atom, where it has 8 electron, 8 proton and 8 neutron. So the number of electron is 8, the number of proton is 8, the number of neutron is A minus Z, that is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. This 16 comes from, we have to add both the proton and electron, and then we have to minus it by proton, that is 8. So 16 minus 8, it is 8. The next atom you are going to see is sodium. So here you can see the number of electron present in sodium is 11, and for proton it is 11, and then 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. So it is represented, the nucleotide representation is 23 and 11. Next, let us see what is meant by ions. Atoms are electrically neutral, but when atom loses or gains electron, it forms ion, and loss of electron, atoms get positively charged. For example, sodium has 11 electron and 11 proton. When it loses 1 electron, it becomes 10 electron and 11 proton. So it forms Na plus ion, and so it forms Na plus ion. If there is gain of electron, atom will carry a negative charge. For example, chlorine has 17 proton and 17 electron, and it gains 1 electron to form 18 electron and become chlorine ion. This Na plus and Cl minus attracts, and they form an chlorine sodium chloride compound. So this is what ion means. Ions means. Students, in today's class we have learnt about how are the subatomic particles placed in the atom. Niels Bohr says that electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit, just like planets revolve around the sun. Then we have seen atomic mass and mass number. Atomic mass means nothing but the number of proton present in the atom, and mass number means the sum of proton and electron. Mass number means sum of proton and neutron. Nucleotide symbol. Then we have seen how electrons are arranged. At last we have seen what is meant by ions. The loss or gain of electron will carry charge to the atom, and thus charged atom is said to be ions. Assignment for this video is draw the structure of oxygen and sodium atom. What is meant by ions? Define atomic mass and mass number. Children, by this topic we are completing our second chapter. I hope you all understood this chapter. Meet you all in the next video. Thank you.